Ladies and gentlemen, I'm an AI actress, and I want to share some information about the upcoming HSMAI Commercial Strategy Conference with over 800 attendees. That's a record. So amazing. This is where hospitality's brightest minds converge to redefine the industry, tackle today's challenges, and shape tomorrow's trends. Day one begins on Tuesday, June 25th with a vibrant breakfast and partner showcase. The first general session focuses on commercial strategy, setting the tone for transformative discussions. Breakout sessions will cover talent dynamics, owner objectives, commercial collaboration, and more. You'll discover the power of influence, elevate your owner acumen, and revolutionize profitability. In the afternoon, engage in networking experiences and learn about AI's role in our industry. The day ends with a focus on artificial intelligence, paving the way for future advancements. Day two starts with a VIP awards breakfast and a session on the economy. We'll explore AI's impact on the customer journey, group customer dynamics, and contact center strategies. Afternoon sessions will dive into distribution, AI roadmaps, GA4 strategies, and profit optimization. This conference is more than just sessions. It's about making connections, sharing ideas, and gaining inspiration. Thank you to Bob Gilbert, Julie Jones, Jason Smith, the HSMAI staff, and the Marketing and Revenue Advisory Boards for their invaluable time and effort. See you all soon.